Did you know this ancestral herb helps to increase leg and foot circulation? This video will provide valuable insights and practical advice. Let's start by understanding, why is leg and foot circulation important? Proper blood circulation in the legs and feet is crucial for maintaining overall health and well-being. It ensures that oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the cells and tissues while waste products are efficiently removed. This process is essential for the healing and regeneration of tissues, preventing muscle cramps and fatigue, and maintaining the health of nerves and muscles. Good circulation also helps keep your skin healthy and prevents conditions such as varicose veins and edema, which can result from poor blood flow. Additionally, the circulatory system plays a vital role in regulating body temperature and maintaining optimal function of the cardiovascular system. When blood circulation is compromised, it can lead to various health issues that may affect your mobility, comfort, and quality of life. What are the consequences of poor circulation? Poor circulation can have widespread effects on your health, especially in the legs and feet. One of the most common symptoms is a persistent feeling of coldness or numbness, which occurs when blood flow is insufficient to keep the extremities warm. This can lead to muscle cramps and joint pain, as muscles and tissues do not receive the necessary nutrients and oxygen to function properly. Another consequence is swelling, or edema, which happens when blood flow is restricted and fluid accumulates in the tissues. Over time, poor circulation can contribute to skin changes, such as dryness, itchiness, and discoloration. In severe cases, it can lead to the development of ulcers and slow-healing wounds, increasing the risk of infection. More seriously, poor circulation can exacerbate conditions like peripheral artery disease, or PAD, which is characterized by narrowed arteries and reduced blood flow to the limbs. This can lead to pain during physical activities, a condition known as claudication, and significantly impact mobility and overall quality of life. What causes poor circulation? Several factors can contribute to poor circulation in the legs and feet. One major cause is a sedentary lifestyle, where prolonged periods of inactivity lead to reduced blood flow and increased risk of circulatory issues. Obesity also plays a significant role, as excess body weight can place additional pressure on blood vessels, restricting blood flow. Medical conditions such as diabetes, hypertension, and high cholesterol can damage blood vessels and lead to circulatory problems. Smoking is another significant factor, as it can constrict blood vessels and reduce blood flow. Furthermore, aging naturally leads to a decline in circulatory efficiency, as blood vessels can become less elastic over time. Other potential causes include blood clots, which can block blood flow and lead to serious complications if not addressed promptly. Finally, certain genetic factors may predispose individuals to circulatory problems, making it essential to understand one's risk factors and take preventative measures. What foods worsen circulation? Diet plays a crucial role in maintaining healthy circulation. Certain foods can negatively impact blood flow, particularly those high in trans fats, seed oils, and refined carbs. These substances can contribute to the buildup of plaque in the arteries, leading to a condition known as atherosclerosis, which restricts blood flow. Highly processed foods, often rich in sodium, carbs, seed oils, and trans fats, can lead to fluid retention and increased blood pressure, further straining the circulatory system. Sugary foods and beverages can also contribute to inflammation and damage to blood vessels, especially in individuals with diabetes. Alcohol consumption can dehydrate the body and negatively affect circulation by dilating blood vessels, leading to increased blood pressure and impaired blood flow over time. To improve circulation, it's essential to focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and healthy fats, such as those found in nuts, seeds, and extra virgin olive oil. What medications worsen circulation? Certain medications can inadvertently impact circulation as a side effect. For instance, beta blockers, commonly prescribed for hypertension and heart conditions, can cause cold extremities by reducing blood flow to the limbs. Diuretics, used to manage fluid retention and high blood pressure, can also affect circulation by altering blood volume and electrolyte balance. Some antidepressants and antipsychotics may lead to circulation problems by affecting blood vessel tone and reducing blood flow. Hormonal medications, such as birth control pills, can increase the risk of blood clots, which can impede circulation. If you are concerned about the effects of medications on your circulation, it is essential to consult with your healthcare provider. To evaluate the risks and benefits of your medication regimen and explore alternatives or adjustments to mitigate potential side effects. Ginkgo biloba, the ancestral herb that improves leg and foot circulation. Ginkgo biloba, a powerful remedy with a long history in traditional medicine, is renowned for its potential to improve circulation and support overall health. Let's delve into how Ginkgo biloba works to enhance leg and foot circulation. It provides with antioxidant effects. Ginkgo biloba is rich in flavonoids and terpenoids, potent antioxidants that protect cells from oxidative stress and damage caused by free radicals. These antioxidants help maintain the health and integrity of blood vessels, reducing inflammation and supporting efficient blood flow throughout the body. It improves blood flow. One of the key benefits of Ginkgo biloba is its ability to enhance blood flow. It works by improving the dilation of blood vessels, ensuring that blood can flow freely to the extremities. This increased blood flow helps deliver oxygen and nutrients more effectively, reducing symptoms of poor circulation, such as coldness and numbness in the legs and feet. Anticoagulant effects. Ginkgo biloba also has mild anticoagulant properties, which means it can help prevent blood clots from forming. By reducing platelet aggregation, it keeps the blood flowing smoothly and minimizes the risk of blockages that can impede circulation and lead to complications such as deep vein thrombosis. Nitric oxide production. Ginkgo biloba stimulates the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that plays a crucial role in vasodilation, the process of relaxing and widening blood vessels. This action enhances blood flow and lowers blood pressure, promoting better circulation to the extremities and throughout the body. Vasodilation. This can significantly alleviate symptoms of poor circulation and support overall cardiovascular health. Improves glaucoma. Ginkgo biloba has been studied for its potential to improve eye health, particularly in conditions like glaucoma. It enhances blood flow to the optic nerve, potentially reducing pressure and preventing damage associated with glaucoma, supporting better vision and eye health. Helps tinnitus and auditory function. Ginkgo biloba may also benefit individuals with tinnitus and auditory issues by improving blood flow to the inner ear and supporting nerve health. This can alleviate ringing in the ears and enhance overall auditory function. Helps neuropathy. Ginkgo biloba's ability to improve circulation and nerve health makes it a potential ally for individuals with neuropathy. By supporting blood flow to affected areas, it may help reduce symptoms such as pain, tingling, and numbness. Improves memory and cognitive function. Research suggests that Ginkgo biloba may enhance memory and cognitive function by increasing blood flow to the brain and providing antioxidant protection. This can support mental clarity, focus, and overall brain health, particularly in older adults. Aids sexual organs. Ginkgo biloba may also improve sexual health by enhancing blood flow to the sexual organs. This can support sexual function and performance, making it a valuable supplement for those seeking to enhance their sexual health naturally. What is the Ginkgo biloba dose? For optimal benefits, the recommended dose of Ginkgo biloba is typically 120 mg of the standardized extract per day. It's important to follow dosage instructions on product labels or consult with a healthcare professional to ensure safe and effective use. When to avoid Ginkgo biloba? While Ginkgo biloba offers numerous health benefits, it is not suitable for everyone. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should avoid using Ginkgo biloba due to limited safety data. Additionally, individuals taking blood thinners or anticoagulants should exercise caution, as Ginkgo biloba's anticoagulant effects may increase the risk of bleeding. Always consult your healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. What else can you do to improve blood flow? Performing simple exercises, such as ankle muscle contractions, can significantly improve circulation. Try flexing and extending your ankles while seated or lying down to promote blood flow. Additionally, incorporating regular physical activity, maintaining a healthy diet, staying hydrated, and avoiding prolonged periods of inactivity can all contribute to better circulation and overall health. In conclusion and to summarize today's video, the benefits of maintaining healthy circulation, especially in the legs and feet, are profound and far-reaching. Proper circulation ensures that oxygen and nutrients are efficiently delivered to tissues, while waste products are effectively removed, which is vital for overall health. Poor circulation can lead to a range of issues, from discomfort and fatigue to more serious health conditions like peripheral artery disease. Ginkgo biloba, an ancient herb known for its potent antioxidant and circulatory enhancing properties, can play a key role in improving blood flow. It works by dilating blood vessels, enhancing nitric oxide production, and offering mild anticoagulant effects. These benefits extend beyond circulation to support eye health, auditory function, neuropathy relief, cognitive enhancement, and sexual health. Incorporating Ginkgo biloba into your routine, alongside lifestyle changes such as regular exercise and a balanced diet, can significantly enhance circulation and improve your overall well-being. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. Please share today's video with friends and family, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos. Your support is appreciated, it helps us grow and create more content to empower your health. Remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice on your health and fitness journey. So, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.